subscribe to my channel. It's free to subscribe, and also press the bell icon.
Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mira and today I'm here for another video as usual. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite products, Mana Lip Anti Stain. I just love it so much. I really wanted it, but look, kya karishma hua. Mana sent me a PR. I really wanted it, so Allah Ta'ala thought, why not we should help this girl. So look, Mana has sent me this PR. They only sent me this. Okay, na? Itni famous nahi hui कि वो इतना तरह package है. I'm very happy with it, huh? Don't say that. Oh, you're getting this and it's too like. My shade is cotton candy. I wish you guys can get it. Cotton candy, you'll get 15 ml product, okay? It's cotton candy, and Mana is basically a hand blended makeup, like you can blend it with your hands, and also they are handmade, they are organic products, okay? You will get it in the end of the video because I will tell you about it. Packaging is like lit. Oh my god, love it. Here's written love Mana. Oh, here's the handwritten hand blended with love. Oh, so cute of you. So classy. The bottle will not like ding ding ding. It is something like this. Just love it. Here's written Mana hand blended makeup candy pink. So pretty. Show you the swatch of it. Swatch. Price of it is like 140. There's a discount, okay, so it's like 140, but the actual price is like 1,300 or 1,350. I will add the actual price over here and discount price over here too. Let's go. So I'm just shaking it. If you use, you have to shake it well before you use. Oh, I think that's a lot, okay. Let me show you the consistency of it. Look at it. Okay. So amazing, like check it out. It's so good. Time contact. Okay, so this much is enough. Not gonna use the whole, but I guess this much is enough. So I'm gonna blend one side with brush, one side with a beauty blender. So yeah, wait. I know I'm looking so blank just because not wearing anything. Okay, my hair is looking so stupid. Actually, okay. So here is our product, and this is a lot. Okay, you just have to use this much and you just have to buff it. Just have a look at it. Isn't it looking cute? It is so natural. I am in love with it. So yeah, just have to buff it. We'll have product left in it, so gonna use it. It's runny, so you have to blend it quickly, otherwise it's gonna fall down. So I'm using this way because this blush again. Here is contour and I'm doing like that, and here's nothing, so we're gonna use this. So hard. It worked pretty well, I guess. Yeah, it worked. Is it a magic? Because I'm shooting the video and it's working with the beauty blender. Otherwise it was not working. It was like disappearing, like take it again. We'll use it for our lips. It does not work for my lips actually, if I say the truth. So it does not work for my lips. So still trying in front of you guys, maybe it worked. it a magic or what is happening? I am shooting a video and everything is like happening. When I was not shooting a video, like I was doing it in normal life, it didn't work. It is really light tint and a natural sort of a tint. It is a tint. Oh, it tastes like nothing. Wait, let me apply some highlighter and do some more things. So I applied a highlighter, popular highlighter, and that's it. Nothing extra. I hope you guys are getting now a little better lightness, just because I don't know what is the problem with my lighting. These days I cannot make a perfect lighting for you guys. So yeah. So Mana demo is done. The lip and cheek stain demo is done. So let's talk about the product. So first read how to use. Okay, use less than a drop directly onto your cheek or lip and glide on using fingertips. Blend well. Or take a drop back of your hand and apply with your finger, controlling the blush shade. Reapply for dark shade. Yeah. This basically means the same, like apply 1 or 2 drops and just blend it with your fingers, brush, whatever you feel comfortable with, and loving the glow. And if it's less, then apply more. And shake well before use. I've told you already. Okay. Ingredients are avocado oil, organic castor oil, glycerin, aloe vera jelly, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, flora water, pink rose natural mineral color, rose absolute essential oil, chamomile essential oil. So these are the ingredients of it, and use within 1 year after opening. So you have to use it within 1 year to finish this whole bottle in 1 year. Okay, so basically Mana's products are like homemade, handmade. They are organics. One thing I don't like about it is like the smell. Seriously, Mana, I don't like your smell. Because don't blame on Mana. I wanted to tell you guys that this is organic. Okay, and organic products has a smell. Okay, so organic product has a naturally smell because you have so organic products. This proves that it is naturally made, because if you use something other, like if you use something suppose anything, suppose any other lip or cheek stain, make sure smell them and you will get such a nice smell, like a perfumey kind of a smell, because there's mixture smell but there's not mixture smell. These are all natural products, so this means this is 1000% safe for your skin. Okay, and the website of is link is down in the description box, so make sure you check it out after watching this video. Their Instagram page is also linked down below in my description box. So if you guys don't know what is description box, all you have to do, you have to click my video title, and yeah, a box will appear in which there will be written blah 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 in English. Okay, so maybe in Urdu too. So yeah. So if we talk about the packaging, I'm literally dying on the packaging. I'll give it 1000, more than 1000 for the packaging. Like thumbs up for this packaging. Literally, I am in love with your packaging, Mana. You are making me seriously tired. I would rate this product 9 out of 10. I know this is not a pair, but I would rate it 9 out of 10 just because of the smell. I know it's naturally made, but obviously. Now let's talk about the staying power of it. It stays for quite a lot of time, like 5 to 6 hours in my waterproof, because it just stayed on my cheeks for that much time. On the lips, you have to reapply, just because like do like this, so it get removed. So yeah guys, that was it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that bell icon. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that they can also come and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the bell icon. So yeah, bye bye, take care, stay blessed.